I was recently laid off from my job and had to get creative about how to make ends meet. As a single parent, knowing my children are safe and supported while we navigate these extraordinary circumstances has meant the world to me.
I am very fortunate that I can count myself as one of the providers that has remained open. But I'm not gonna tell you that it's been easy. I also be remiss to say that my income was enough to sustain my childcare. It's not. I struggle month to month. But if I stay open, I employ my employees and I help my community. My strength are my kids behind me and focusing on their education.
And of course, we know that more federal help is needed to sustain the child care industry. But the child care system is in crisis, and we can't wait for the federal government to act. Child care providers are essential workers that have been risking their own health to support essential workers for the duration of the pandemic.
The state needs to do the work. They need to step up and make sure there's adequate funding so the materials are here, so that child care workers are reimbursed and paid appropriately for the work they do to support children. But we have a moment, which is right now. It's not a month from now, it's not 2 months from now. Look around. These children deserve our support, they deserve it now.
At the very least, number one, cover the family fee portion, and that is an immediate impact of not losing money. That's not even giving them more, that's just not losing. Number two, if there's a case of COVID-19 here, they have to close the whole place down and quarantine for 10 days, right? So the state is saying they will cover the cost for one instance. What happens if 2 weeks later, somebody else has it? Provider will have to close, and then they don't have any type of income for 2 weeks.
Este mensaje es para todas mis proveedoras. Somos 40,000 y subiendo. Sí se puede. Es duro. Pero somos mujeres y trabajamos duro todos los días. Este mensaje es para Governor Newsom, para los state representatives. Si no es ahorita, si no es para nuestros niños y nuestra comunidad, dime cuándo. ¿Qué tenemos que hacer? ¿Qué más tenemos que hacer para que ustedes actúen en nuestro bienestar? Nosotros estamos comprando útiles, cosas que en la escuela se deben de estar dando, comprando computadoras, cosas esenciales que dicen que los iban a proponer para los niños y no lo están haciendo. ¿Dónde está la ayuda? Por favor, diríjame a esta línea que dicen que están ayudándonos, porque no los están ayudando. Hagan algo, por favor. This pandemic has only broken down the childcare system that has been broken since before that. We've been trying to advocate for these kids, for these families, for these communities way before the pandemic. And I want them to step up. If the pandemic's not going to do it, tell me what's going to happen, what needs to happen. What needs to happen for somebody to come out here and see that our hard work is essential.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social for all things CCRC.